my name's Sarah Wydall, and I'm a reader in criminology at Aberystwyth University, and I'm director of the Centre for Age, Gender and Social Justice, and within that centre we run a really interesting initiative called Dewis Choice. Dewis Choice, I think, is unique globally. It's unique, one, because we have co-produced, working with older people, a service, and secondly, we have conducted the first longitudinal research capturing the lived experiences of older victim survivors of domestic abuse. So fundamentally our aim on Dewis Choice is this: transforming the response to domestic abuse in later life. And from this is our second edition, but from this it's directly drawn from our longitudinal research. So what older people have told us at different points in help seeking, when they are seeking support either in a crisis incident or when they're recovering from domestic abuse, we've actually been able to collect data on how they feel about the response to them by different practitioners. In terms of the benefits to Dewis Choice, I think one of the things is we've been able to use this longitudinal research data on the lived experiences of older victim survivors to take that directly to train professionals, not only domestic abuse specialists, but also generic practitioners across the UK. Secondly, we've been able to inform policy, and we've been mentioned in the domestic abuse statutory guidance, which is really important in relation to looking at domestic abuse across the life course. And I think for me, what's really heartening is actually listening to what our clients say. So people who use our service saying that Dewis Choice has actually changed their life. It's had a significant impact on their quality of life and their well-being and their social contacts. So for me, seeing that and knowing that people are living fear-free, I think has been a really significant for Dewis Choice. And obviously all of these resources can be found on our website, so feel free to have a look.